Natural leaf plate production begins in sustainable plantations, where leaves are responsibly harvested. Skilled workers select only mature leaves, ensuring trees remain healthy and continue growing.
Traditional cutting techniques ensure clean harvest without damaging the parent tree. Fresh leaves are collected in traditional baskets, maintaining their natural moisture and integrity.
Leaves are immediately sorted by size and quality, ensuring only premium material continues. Carefully loaded transport vehicles deliver fresh leaves to the manufacturing facility within hours.
Fresh leaves arrive at the factory for immediate processing, ensuring optimal quality retention. Initial dust removal prepares leaves for thorough water washing without contaminating the system.
Multiple water washing stages remove all dirt and organic residue from leaf surfaces.
Food-grade sanitization treatment eliminates bacteria while preserving the natural leaf structure.
Final rinse with pressurized water ensures leaves are completely clean and chemical-free. Controlled air drying removes excess moisture while maintaining leaf flexibility for pressing.
Trained inspectors examine every leaf for tears, discoloration, and structural integrity.
Leaves are precisely graded by size to ensure uniform plate dimensions for customers.
Any leaves with defects are removed, ensuring only flawless material enters production.
Multi-tier grading systems categorize leaves, ensuring customers receive consistent quality batches.
Graded leaves are batched and prepared for the hydraulic pressing process.
Industrial hydraulic presses transform flat leaves into durable three-dimensional plates through heat and pressure.
Workers precisely position leaves in heated molds, ensuring uniform plate formation.
Hydraulic systems apply precise pressure, bringing mold halves together to shape the leaf. Controlled heat and pressure mold the leaf fibers into rigid plate shape within seconds.
Brief cooling period allows the formed plate to set and stabilize before mold release.
The mold opens, revealing a perfectly formed biodegradable plate, retaining natural leaf characteristics.
Each formed plate is carefully extracted while still warm and flexible for inspection.
Multiple pressing stations operate, continuously producing thousands of plates throughout each production day.
Skilled workers trim excess material, creating clean, uniform edges on every plate.
Automated trimming systems ensure perfectly uniform edges for consistent product appearance.
Slight discoloration here, but acceptable.
Every plate undergoes thorough visual inspection, ensuring structural integrity and aesthetic quality.
Random batch testing verifies each production run meets strict strength and moisture resistance standards.
Strict quality control removes any defective plates, ensuring only premium products reach customers.
Quality-approved plates are organized and prepared for final sterilization before packaging.
Plates enter ultraviolet sterilization chambers for complete bacterial and microbial elimination.
High-intensity ultraviolet light eliminates all surface bacteria, ensuring food-safe hygiene standards. Optional natural coatings enhance moisture resistance while maintaining complete biodegradability.
Fully sterilized and dried plates emerge ready for counting, packaging, and bulk distribution.
Automated counting systems ensure precise quantities for each package, meeting customer specifications. Skilled workers stack plates in uniform bundles, maintaining alignment and preventing damage.
Eco-friendly shrink wrap protects plate stacks during shipping and storage.
Heat sealing creates tamper-proof packaging, ensuring product integrity from factory to customer.
Multiple plate stacks are packed into bulk cartons, designed for wholesale and commercial distribution.
Cartons are sealed and labeled with complete product information for traceability and inventory management.
Robotic systems build stable pallets, efficiently handling thousands of cartons daily.
Stretch wrapping secures bulk pallets, protecting thousands of plates during transportation and storage.
From sustainably harvested leaves to eco-friendly plates, each product delivers biodegradable dining solutions worldwide.